Let us see how to organize the mogrt files in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have lots of mogrt files, maybe you're downloaded from internet or you just got a bunch of mogrt files, then how you can organize it. When there are a lot of files, it's very difficult to keep track of the files. As you can see, there are so many mogrt templates over here, and I have to just scroll through that to find the one that I want. One of the way to organize this is by clicking on the stars. So when you click on these stars, basically you are adding that particular template as a favorite. And then if you want to access all your favorite templates, just click here, and then you can see that now it is showing all the favorite templates that I got. So this is one way to organize the mogrt files. Another way is by managing the local folders. So if you go here, you can see there is this manage additional folders, and then you can add new folders where the mogrt files are there. So you can actually save those files organized in the hard disk folders and then add those folders over here. So basically what happens is that once those folders are added, those folders will be visible over here, and then you can just click on this local template folders. It will show you only those templates that are there in those folders. Okay, so that is another way to organize the templates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.